Bihar has made up its mind to re-elect the NDA, that is National Democratic Alliance, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said this morning as he visited the state for the fourth time after the start of a fierce election campaign last month. Bihar has given a clear message on the basis of the initial information we are getting that the state has decided to re-elect the NDA government. The Prime Minister, who is the de facto face of the NDA, even though it is led by Chief Minister Nitish Kumar in Bihar, said while addressing a poll rally. In a bar by the RJD-led opposition Grand Alliance, the Prime Minister said that those who brought Jungle Raj into Bihar, their associates, what do they want? Do you know? They want that you don't chant Bharat Mata Ki Jai. On this auspicious land where Goddess Chatti is worshipped, is it possible that people won't chant for the nation? That is what Prime Minister Modi asked. A BJP MLA in Maharashtra has approached the police seeking action against megastar Amitabh Bachchan and the makers of TV show Kaun Banega Crorepati 12 for allegedly hurting Hindu sentiments. Abhimanyu Pawar, BJP legislator from Ausa in Latur district, in a complaint to Latur SP Nikhil Pingle, said that action should be taken against Amitabh Bachchan and Sony Entertainment Television over a question asked during Friday's Karmavir special episode. There was an attempt to insult Hindus and create discord between Hindus and Buddhists who have been living in harmony, Pawar tweeted, posting a copy of his two-page letter to the police official. The episode had social activist Bezwara Wilson and actor Anup Soni in the hot seat opposite to Amitabh Bachchan, who asked question on Ambedkar burning Manusmriti. Karnataka Tourism Minister and BJP National General Secretary C.T. Ravi on Tuesday said that a law banning religious conversion for the sake of marriage will be enacted in the state. He said that the government will not remain silent when jihadis strip the dignity of women in the state. The statement comes days after the Allahabad High Court held that conversion of religion for the purpose of marriage was illegal. Earlier, BJP-ruled states UP, Haryana and Madhya Pradesh had announced their intention to introduce legal provision against love jihad. He said, anyone involved in any act of conversion shall face severe and swift punishment. US President Donald Trump said that he felt good about his chances for victory as the election opened Tuesday, predicting that he would register big victories in key states such as Florida and Arizona. We feel very good, a hoarse-voiced Trump told Fox News in phone interview. I think we will have the victory. Trump said he expected victory in all the key states that will decide the nation. We think we are winning Texas very big. We think we are winning Florida very big. And we think we are winning Arizona very big, he told Fox News. The French government said on Monday that its forces had killed more than 50 jihadists aligned to Al-Qaeda in airstrike in central Mali. The offensive took place on Friday in an area near borders of Burkina Faso and Niger, where government troops are struggling to rout an Islamic insurgency, French Defense Minister Florence Parly said after meeting members of Mali's transitional government.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.